My name is Philip Maxwell. I served in the United States Navy for 5 years. Punctuality, I think, is what was drilled into our heads. You know, always being early, early's on time. It was a difficult job mentally to deal with. After dealing with, you know, life on a submarine, I can do anything now. It's like nothing is too difficult for me to complete. I chose Linux Welding because I was really attracted to the accelerated curriculum that they were offering, and it was something that I was really used to in the Navy. Super quick, just lots of information, and this kind of had the same feel, so it was something I was accustomed to, and I got the results that I wanted. What makes me most proud to be a veteran is the fact that I was able to train and adapt in a situation that was extremely stressful, and not a lot of people can do that. And so I have pride in myself and my ability to endure. The hardest thing I had to overcome was mainly myself. Just the whole act of welding and doing something that I've never done before. That was the hardest part. It went super fast because I was having fun though, because everybody here is a joy to be around. I made some friends, I think. It was very easy to use my benefits. Everything fell into place right on time. I didn't have to wait or anything. It was very easy to use. I highly recommend it if you're out and you want to do some welding training, something that this school would provide, then go for it. It's super easy. I had zero welding experience. I wasn't very confident at all, but I managed to do a weld test 6 weeks into the program, and I had a job waiting for me before I was done training here, so it's very possible to start a life. I'm appreciative of my welding training at Lynnes. Set a trajectory for my life that I needed. It has given me a sense of independence that I didn't have before. There's always some sort of financial stress hanging over my head before I completed this welding training, and it's kind of weird that I haven't been stressed out in almost a year. I would recommend Linux welding training to veterans and regular civilian people. It's all on you. You get in the booth and you weld, and you get better each time you do it. So, I mean, it's a no-brainer.